Our refrigerator door is flashing 8E.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Samsung RFG298HDRS, maybe 5 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, we had a repair man out 2 days ago who ordered a part for the lower ice maker.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't know.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is I look forward to helping you. Are you pretty sure about that error? It appears to not be valid for that model. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 full minutes to reset the electronics. Does the behavior change when plugged back in?
I will unplug it when my husband gets home to help me move it. Will I just need to come back to this page after I have finished with your suggestion? And yes, I am sure about the flashing 8E. Not necessary to talk me through it.
Sorry for the auto call offer, I have no control over those. Unplug and post back if no changes and we can continue. Thank you.
It was unplugged OFR 8 minutes and no change.
Are all of the segments on the 8 flashing or is one not?
The front panel only flashes 8E.
Locate the power freeze and power cool buttons and press and hold them together for 8 seconds. Will that error clear?
No change. Could it have anything to do with the broken part for the lower ice maker?
Okay, well the 8E means an issue with the ice maker sensor, although on that control, it is programmed on the 39E to be displayed. In any case, it means the sensor for the ice maker has problems. So yes, it is directly related to its failure.
But none of the other lights are active. How can I tell if the fridge and freezer are working?
You can't if the error will not clear. However, it is designed to stay cooling with that error, so if you just keep an eye on the temperatures it should be fine. If it starts to lose temperature, more error codes will begin to display.
I can't keep an eye on the temperature because there is no display.
I mean just by feeling the temperatures inside. If it starts to warm up, more errors will start to display. You will hear the temperature alarm go off, too.
Thank you. I cancel this service now?
Once you rate using the stars, I can send the subscription in to be cancelled.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.